Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. I'm making a little bread this afternoon, so I'm going to show you what's doing it. I'm going to use the bread machine for kneading it, so you can hear the noise. The bread machine's already going. I mixed up the ingredients: 3 cups flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons yeast, 1 cup and 2 tablespoons milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Yeah, so I use the machine because my wrist and fingers just aren't up for kneading the dough for making bread. Okay, it's done kneading in the machine, so I poured it out into a bowl, and it's going to sit here and raise for the next 34 minutes, and I'm going to put a towel over it to, because it's supposed to do, probably keep any dust out of it, flies out of it. Of course, there's no flies right now in winter. So anyway, so that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, so it raised for the 34 minutes. Then I rolled it out onto the board here where I floured the parchment paper here, rolled it out there, shaped it, placed it inside the pan it's going to cook in. I have had the oven, I warmed up the oven a little bit and then turned it off so it's nice and warm for the final rising. So I'll leave it in there for 50 minutes. And then we'll come back. I'll probably pull it out for the last 5 minutes of the rise, and then during that time period, heat the oven up to baking temperature, and then stick it back in. All right, it's in the oven. It's done raising, and it's starting to bake. So we'll get back to it in 30 minutes. All right, here it is out of the oven. I've had it cooling. I should have shot this sooner, but I'm on the live stream with Courtney at White Family Farm right now, the late night one. So anyways, here it is. It's looking good, and I'm going to cut into it here in a minute and start having me some bread and butter. There we go, bread and butter. So if you have a chance, try baking. If you've never baked before, look into it. If you're too old to knead the bread and stuff, get a bread machine. You don't have to do it all in the machine. You can do all the mixing stuff in the machine, and then plop it in the bread pan and stick it in the oven like I did. All right, take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.